At Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale, we strive to go above and beyond for our customers. Our team of sales and service professionals are here to provide you with a first-class experience. From sales to service, our dealership is dedicated to giving you the luxury experience you and your vehicle deserve. Shopping for your next luxury sedan or SUV? You can count on Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale to cater to your needs. Whether you're shopping for an in-stock Land Rover, Range Rover, or Jaguar model, or looking to order your next vehicle, our dealership is here to help you find your dream car.
At Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale, we care about our customers and the cars they drive. We use market-based pricing on our pre-owned vehicles to give you a fair and honest deal every day.
Service customers can enjoy a drive-up service concierge, where our team will greet you upon arrival. We also offer a fully interactive service experience. We believe in providing transparency and want you to understand what is going on with the health of your vehicle firsthand. Our dealership has been serving the Chicagoland area for almost 70 years, and we will continue helping drivers for the next 70 years. At Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale, the cars bring you in, the experience brings you back.